Did you know your Android phone has a hidden trick that can make it way more useful? It's called the double tap back gesture, and once you turn it on, you can unlock some really cool shortcuts. This feature first appeared in Android 11 as part of Google's experimental gesture controls. The idea is simple. Instead of tapping on the screen, you just tap the back of your phone twice. And those two taps can instantly trigger an action of your choice. For example, you can set it to take a screenshot without pressing any buttons. Or maybe you want to open your camera super fast? Just double tap the back, and you're ready to shoot. You can also launch Google Assistant, pause your music, or even open a specific app, all without touching the display. The best part is, you don't need root access or complicated setups. Many Android devices already include this option in their settings under System Gestures, or Quick Tap. If you don't see it, some phones offer it under Accessibility features, or you can enable it using apps like Tap Tap, which recreate Google's hidden gesture. And yes, it works with just a light knock on the back of your phone, no need to press hard. You can even customize sensitivity so it doesn't trigger by accident. Imagine how much faster your daily tasks become. Double tap to mute the phone when it rings, double tap to open your favorite app, or double tap to control smart home devices. It's like giving your phone a secret button that nobody else knows about. So, if you've never tried it, dive into your settings and look for Quick Tap, or download a trusted gesture app. Once you set it up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's the hidden Android secret. 2 simple taps on the back of your phone, and suddenly, everyday actions are faster, easier, and way cooler. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.